1. Animated GIF Maker Online GIF Maker GIF Maker allows you to instantly create your own animated GIFs by combining separated image files as frames. Produced GIFs are of high quality and free of watermarks or attribution, making this tool ideal for developers and content creators. To make a GIF, you can upload a sequence of GIF, JPG, PNG, BMP, TIFF, HEIC and other types of images, zip archive with images, and even mix together different formats and sizes. They will be converted automatically. You can also upload animated GIF, Webp or APNG images. They will be split and delay times preserved. That way GIF Maker can also be used to edit, shorten or merge together existing GIFs. How to make a GIF? Press the To Choose Files button above and select the images you want to use as frames. You can press and hold Ctrl Command key to select multiple files. When the images are uploaded, you can adjust animation speed and frame order before making the GIF. After generating the GIF, you can resize, crop, and optimize it or use any of the other tools. 2. Video to GIF Converter. Upload and convert video to GIF. With this online video converter you can upload your MP4, AVI, WEB, FLV, WMV and many other popular types of video and rich media files to turn them into high-quality animated GIFs. Source video file can be uploaded from your computer or smartphone or fetched from another server by URL. After upload, you can select the part of the video you want to cut, entering start and end time. If nothing is selected, the converter will make a GIF from first 5 seconds of the video clip. If you want to change the dimensions of the GIF or crop out only part of the video, you can use a resize and crop tools on the GIF after finishing the conversion. We offer MP4 to GIF, WEB to GIF, AVI to GIF, MOV to GIF, FLV to GIF as well as 3GP, OGV, M4V, ASF and other format converters. It's possible to convert transparent video with alpha channel to transparent GIF as well. It can also convert some SWF, flash files, but currently not all of them. 3. Animated GIF Resizer Online Image Resizer. As GIF's online image resizer will resize, crop, or flip animated GIFs and other images with the same quality and speed as professional software, without the need to buy and install anything. Useful when you need to reduce GIF size or fit the image in specific dimensions. 4. Online GIF Optimizer. Lossy GIF Compression. GIF Compressor optimizes GIFs using GIFsicle and Lossy GIF Encoder, which implements lossy LZW compression. It can reduce animated GIF file size by 30%, 50% at a cost of some dithering noise. You can adjust compression level with a simple slider to get the best result for your use case. This is the default method and should work for any GIF. Color reduction. This tool shrinks GIF file size by reducing the number of colors in each frame. Each GIF frame can use up to 256 unique colors, and by reducing this number, you can achieve a smaller file size. It makes multiple variations of your input image, and you can choose the one that has the best size-quality ratio for your needs. 5. GIF Frame Extractor, Splitter, Animated GIF, APNG, Web, FLIF and MNG Frame Splitter, Extractor Decompiler. This online tool is designed to convert animated images into individual frames, sequence of images, for editing or viewing them separately. GIF Explode Tool, Splitter, Decompiler, call it whatever you want. It's mainly intended for splitting GIFs, but can be used for almost any other animated image format as well. 6. Animated Web Maker Online Animated Web Maker. This tool lets you create animated web images. It's very similar to our GIF Maker, but outputs animation in web format instead of GIF. Powered by Webmux. You can upload multiple image files to create animation, as well as existing animations for editing. This tool can also be used to convert almost any other image format, not necessarily animated, to web, add or remove frames from animated web, change frame order, etc. 7. Animated PNG Maker Online Animated PNG, APNG, Maker. This tool will assemble individual image files into animated PNG file. It gives you options to change frame order using drag and drop, Set frame disposal, whether or not to keep previous frame in the background. Set loop counter, skip the first frame. You can also use it to edit existing APNG, change frame order, animation speed, disposal method, merge together multiple APNG files, add or remove frames from animation or convert other types of animated images to APNG. It can import APNG, web, GIF, FLIF and MNG animations, as well as archives of images. That's the introduction, let's start to use it. Thanks for watching.